on?
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, man? We're back. Welcome back to the Only 50cc show. I got the big 125 out right here. The big SSR 125. Put some respect on it, you know what I'm talking about? Oh yeah, it's weighing in at about 154, 160, whatever. But this the big SSR 125. This the big wheel. If y'all didn't know, this is the big wheel. This ain't the little wheel. You understand what I'm saying? This thing got some kick on it. This got the Makuni on it. This got the Uni air filter on it. This got the Pro Taper grips on it. This got a lot on it. A lot of mods. You see what I'm saying? Let me show y'all something real quick. I went to my local pawn shop the other day because I told you if you watched my last video, thanks for watching my last video. But my visor was broke on my other video. It's not really broke. I can fix it, but I went to my local pawn shop and I got a helmet. Let me show y'all that real quick. So this is that. So it's a bowling ball, you know what I mean? So like, but that joint a shoey, a showy, a shoe-eye, whatever y'all want to call that, I got it. You understand what I'm saying? So it was over there. I put the stickers on it myself though. I put the stickers on it. It didn't come with the stickers on it. It looked like a bowling ball. You feel me? But I was like, how much y'all want for that shoey? And they was like, I don't know. I said, it ain't no price on it, but he was like, just give me $20. I said, ring it up then, I don't care. Ring it up. You know what I mean? I said, ring it up. I don't care about it. Hey, I got one. Every time I go on the Cycle Max, Cycle Gear, I look at one of these, be like $400. So he said $20. I said, give me that. Let me add it to the collection of the helmets. Let me stop talking. Hey, welcome back to the Only 50cc show. We about to get right into the video. Hey, hop on a bike on a wheelie. Hit the throw and go. Might wheelie through the city. Something you already know. Put the bike on 12. Drop back, just coast. Sit back, just watch. 50cc show. I'm about to kick this on one kick real quick, and then I'm gonna try to do a one hand, man. I'm gonna go for the first one hand in my career. It's raining and all right now, but I don't care. Damn, that was a good one. Damn, almost broke that bit. Something wrong with it. Slipping out there, girl. I whiskeyed that thing quick. I whiskeyed that thing quick. Soon as I let my hand out that joint. I'm so scared now. off, I gotta hit the brake. As soon as I take my hand off, I gotta hit the brake.
Oh yeah, what you doing?
Nothing, I'm trying to keep the throttle steady as possible, but as soon as I take my hand off, I gotta hit the brake, cause it's like, I just like, right now I'm just panicking a little bit.
Yeah.
I mean, that was so scary. That's really the first time I tried to wheelie and take my hand off the bike. Like, that's literally the first time ever, like, I tried to let go. That was scary, but after I keep practicing, I'll get used to it a little bit. But that was crazy, though. That was crazy. That was a hell of a run, though. Man, I'm stoked up right now. Okay, I mean, I take that. Like, look, why you drop throttle right there?
I don't know, maybe panicking.
No, you popped it up, but as soon as you popped it up, you ain't had no more throttle on it. No, when you pop it up, keep following the same smooth throttle with it. My first attempt at trying to do a one-hand wheelie, it was crazy, but hey, it's raining out here. I forgot my bike key today. Was we gonna still go if I had my bike key?
Yeah.
Oh, we was?
We could have. It stopped raining. But it's alright, we do it tomorrow.
BB forgot her key. I forgot my key today. Ain't that some bull? I'll see you on the next one.